So here's Starcrossed app. So just tap get to install it, and yeah, just double click to install it. What's the one truly meant for you? Astrology can answer that. It's as easy as bumping phones. Get your friend's zodiac chart and unlock a piece of soulmate identity. You'll also receive your soulmate's daily horoscope and your own. Find a deeper understanding of yourself and your future. Starcrossed is the only app that lets you tap iPhones to share and explore astrological charts instantly. So just tap to connect, just tap your phone with someone else to instantly swap astrological charts, daily horoscopes on you and your soulmate, deep romantic insights, friends compatibility, accurate and personalized. So then yeah, you can just open it up and then you can just sign up here. And then basically you just have some other questions in here. You can turn on notifications, and then basically this is how it starts. So it just takes some time for on board. So then you can just start yearly at $58, or you can start weekly. And then basically there you have it. So now you just have all of these details. And then you have your like soulmate. This is locked. Keep crossing with your friends to uncover every detail about your soulmate. And then you have your friends, which you can add a new friend. Then you can see, yeah, just touch the phones together and press cross. And then you can discover other people, or no, this is just some other upgrade options. And then this is your profile, this is your like kind of horoscopes. And yeah, so that's the idea of the app.